Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to your wallet from Revolut. Ladies and gentlemen, open your Revolut crypto account, launch the app and tap on crypto on the bottom right navigation menu to access your cryptocurrency portfolio. Look for send, tap on that to view all of your available cryptocurrencies that support external withdrawals. Choose the cryptocurrency you would like to transfer. This could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, or any other supported token that you have available. Choose an existing wallet or add a new external address. Make sure that it's compatible with Hardwire wallets, MetaMask, Binance, and other platforms. Carefully verify the transaction details, including the wallet address. This is extremely important. If the wallet address is incorrect, you will lose your funds. So make sure that it's correct. Also have a look at the network fees before confirming the transfer. The fees will be a variation depending on what crypto you're using, as well as what region you're in. You can now complete your transfers. So transfers are typically instant. It, however, may be based on network congestion as well as blockchain confirmation times. So just keep that in mind.